So today, we have a McDonald's toy, which we really don't have a lot. So, it's a Madagascar, the hippo. I think her name's Gloria. And there's a little on and off button right here. So you turn it on. It's kind of hard. And you bang it against your hand or something and watch it. And watch what it says.
Alrighty, boys. Let's go. I know that's right. Alrighty, boys.
So that's pretty cool. Gloria. It's funny. So, there you have it. Gloria the hippo from Madagascar, McDonald's toy. It's old. I think I got it like 2008 at McDonald's. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So there you have it. Gloria the hippo, Madagascar, 2008 toy. Goodbye.